Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will teach you step by step how to put two videos or more side by side in a CapCut video editor. It is super simple, guys, and it requires only a couple of clicks. So with that in mind, let us get started. In the first step, launch the CapCut application on your computer. The trick I'm about to show you guys can be applied on both versions, in the CapCut web application as well as the application installed on your computer. So for the sake of this tutorial, we will go with the CapCut editor installed on my computer. Start by adding the video clips you would like to put side by side to your library. You can do that by clicking on Import here and by uploading your video clips from your computer. And after that, select the first one and place it on your video track here on your timeline by drag and dropping it like that. And in the second step, select the second video, place it on your timeline as well. But in this case, guys, put it on a separate video track here above, like that. There you go. Also trim the video if needed, watch it in the preview mode. Now to put both videos side by side, you will need to apply a simple trick. It is mind-blowingly simple. So simply select the upper video here by left clicking on it and next adjust its size and position here on your preview display by simply clicking on the corner of the video and by dragging it so that you may adjust the size and position of the video just like that. Next, click on the video and move it around. For example, I will place it here to the left, and after that repeat the same process but with the second video you placed on the lower video track. So let me click on it and next adjust its size and position by dragging its corners and by moving it here to the right. There you go. And last but not least, watch the result in the preview mode. Just like that. It looks really professionally made, and that's basically all the magic behind this, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.